In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new base in Airtable. Whether you're new to Airtable or just looking to explore its features further, setting up a new base is quick and straightforward. We'll cover everything from creating a workspace to diving into the customization options available within your new base. Let's start by navigating to the Workspaces section. When you open Airtable, you'll notice the Workspaces option conveniently located on the left side of your screen. Keep an eye out for a plus symbol there. This symbol is your gateway to creating something new. Go ahead and click on that plus symbol to begin the process. Your next task is to name your workspace. It's best to select a name that's both relevant and meaningful to your project, as this will help keep everything organized and make it easy to access later. Once you've decided on a suitable name, simply hit Create, and voila! You've got a brand new workspace at your disposal, ready to be filled with creativity and organization. With our workspace all set up, the next step is deciding how you'd like to begin your journey in Airtable. Here, you have a couple of options. You can either build an app with Omni or choose to build an app on your own. For this demonstration, we'll be taking the latter route, building an app on our own, to really delve into the nuts and bolts of customization. As you proceed, you'll watch your new base materialize before you. This base is the heart of your Airtable project, acting as a versatile and dynamic canvas where you can structure and manage your information exactly how you want. Within this base, you're able to input a variety of fields such as names, notes, assignees, and even status updates. Adding these fields is straightforward. Just click on the plus symbol and select the field type you wish to incorporate. Additionally, don't hesitate to explore further by dragging and dropping attachments directly onto your base or tweaking the fields to tailor them specifically to your needs. This level of customization is what makes Airtable so powerful for organizing data, whether for personal use or collaborative projects. And there you have it, the entire process of creating a new base in Airtable. It's simple, yet opens up a world of possibilities for organizing and managing your projects efficiently. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you found value in learning how to create a base in Airtable, I'd really appreciate it if you gave this video a like and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more helpful tips.